How to update iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Open General. Step 3. In General, open Software Update. Step 4. Tap Download and install. Step 5. Enter your code. Step 6. Wait, and wait. Step 7. Likely you do not have space for the update, so in that case press cancel either way. Step 8. Open Storage. In Storage you can delete and offload your apps least needed. I would recommend offloading, not deleting. Step 9. Once done, tap General to exit and go back to Software Update and just tap Install now. Thank you.